All right, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Today is day 2 of Nagasaki, and there were I thought there were supposed to be 3 typhoons, but I think they're tropical storms. I don't know if they're the same or they've kind of changed the names to them, but there are three tropical storms coming, and one actually moved and is heading over to Tokyo and the east of Tokyo. I mean the east of Japan, and the other one is coming straight here tonight at nighttime, and it's gonna go through, and then the other one curved and went off to sea. So if you look now, it's pretty quiet. Maybe it's the calm before the storm, literally, but it's supposed to rain in a couple hours. So we're gonna try to go out. I'm watching the I think this is the gold medal games between Japan, women's basketball between Japan and America. But yeah, we're gonna go out and try to go somewhere close. Maybe we'll go to like a nice mall and then we'll have dinner out there. But before that, I want to have some food, or maybe lunch, or yeah, lunch. So I'm gonna try to make, I don't know if it's gonna go right or not, but I'm gonna try to make and maybe I won't even use the footage. So I'm gonna make a kind of like, I've been seeing a lot of these like jailhouse gourmet meals. I'm gonna try to just I just got some fish and some salad. I'm gonna just try to make just a quick lunch in the hotel. But we don't have a microwave, and they want us, if we need to use a microwave, we have to use it in the lobby, and I don't want to stink up the lobby, and I don't want to go down there. So I'm gonna try to do something different. And this place doesn't have a microwave or stove. I thought it did, but it doesn't. So we'll see how that goes. All right, this is nowhere near as deep those jailhouse meals, but I got this salad. It's a radish mix, and then I got the salmon. I guess it's not even any kind of a jailhouse mix, but it's just putting things together. And then I got this coleslaw dressing. So I'm gonna just take this fish and then put it in here, and then put some dressing in it. And then we don't have any plates, so that's pretty much it. All right, so the lighting isn't that good here. There's not much space actually. So I'm gonna just use, this is the refrigerator. I might let these blueberries defrost. I bought these last night for the yogurt. We had two of these ice cream, but I ate one and I didn't show it on the video, but this one was so good. But maybe I'll have it tonight. This one was for my girlfriend, but I don't think she's gonna eat it tonight. So maybe we'll have that tonight. Here is the salt grilled coho salmon. I don't think it's probably gonna be a lot of preservatives and stuff like that, so probably not, like, I don't know, just, you know, you're probably better off buying like a real salmon at a grocery store. I mean, you can tell by like all the orange water here that it's probably not really high quality. All right, so I broke it apart. I had a little bit of the skin, and it tastes all right. Tastes like the real stuff. This is the radish mix. I believe this was like 100 yen. I believe this is like 200-300 yen. So if you're ever in Japan, you need some cheap options. You can make something like this. All right, got the fish. It's in this bag. I don't know if it's if this is gonna look so appetizing. Smells like coleslaw. I was thinking about getting the Caesar, and then I'm just gonna pour it in there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is not just travel. This is cheap eating and whatever I can think of. All right, I try to get the best lighting because it's very gloomy outside. I don't know how promising it's gonna be. I think I should have got a better sauce. All right, here it is. I feel like a hobo. I need to rip some of this top layer off here. But yeah, like I've seen like YouTube videos where people make like authentic Japanese gourmet food from the 7-Elevens. They get all the side dishes. There's like I don't know if you watch some of my videos, but there's like all these side dishes that you can choose from, like miso soup, and then you can make miso soups. They have seafood. They have everything there. Anyways, here it is. Salmon and the coleslaw. Oh, the coleslaw was about 200 to 300 yen. So this is like all 500 yen. But you can use the coleslaw again. And I have another bag of salad. No, it's not it. It's not it. I think it's the dressing. The dressing is the coleslaw. Coleslaw dressing. So it's more like a coleslaw. I don't know if you've tasted that. It's not bad though. Maybe with the Caesar dressing, it might be better. It's not bad though. I'm gonna finish this. Tastes good with the salmon. Actually, I think I would do this again. I only got one salmon because I just wanted to try it because I don't know if it was gonna be good. But I think I would do it again. See, there's a little bit of salmon, coleslaw. I think it needs a little bit of salt and pepper as well. I think if you eat a lot like I do, if you put 2 of those salmon inside, it would be a lot better. But then you're talking about over the 500 range, because the salmon was like 200 to 300. So you get 2 of those, it'd be 500. Get one of these bags, that's 100. You could just go to like one of those fast food restaurants like Mitsuya and get a beef over rice for like 700-800, and that would be pretty good. But they're probably smaller. But if you're like nowhere near a Mitsuya, and around here, we're near Chinatown, but we're not near a grocery store. So usually that's kind of odd because there's always grocery stores everywhere. In my home, I'm surrounded by like 3 or 4 grocery stores. So it's kind of weird that there's no grocery store here. So if you come to Japan and you want something other than onigiri, I think this can be an option if you're maybe keto, or if you're like allergic to gluten like I am. I'm not really allergic, but it just gives me problems. I'm maybe allergic, but a lot of stuff has gluten, so I would probably try to read everything and use Google Translate. So I'm gonna finish this, and then we'll maybe look at the blueberries. All right, it has begun. It is raining now, so I guess the tropical storm is gonna start later tonight. But I didn't eat the yogurt because I thought I had it, but I didn't, so I didn't get to eat it. Sometimes when you buy so many things, you forget the thing that you wanted to eat. So we're gonna be off to this mall right now. Alright, so we decided to take a taxi because it's raining, and then we have to walk to the streetcar, wait for the streetcar, and then take time to go to the mall. And the taxi is about 600 yen-ish, so it's about $6. But if we both take the streetcar, it's about 100 each, so it's about $2. So it's actually really $4 more that we're paying for the convenience. So we're gonna go there and buy an umbrella, and then just walk around the mall. Also, one more thing, I know if you've watched these videos that you know that I like going to malls, and this mall that we're going to is like the only modern mall that's around here. All the other malls are very old, so we're gonna go to this one. It's like the newest one that's around here, so I think this might be the only mall that we're gonna go to in Nagasaki. Alright, so it ended up being more than 600. It's actually doubled for 1,400. I don't know what it's, maybe because it's raining, but we came here on the first night from this exact location to our hotel, and it was 600. So I think it costs more during either during traffic and maybe rainy day. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. This is the place. They even have a Ferris wheel on the top. Alright, we're in this mall. This is the second floor. Some grocery store. It's called the Red Cabbage. Whoa. I don't know which way to go actually. Alright. Maybe we start from the bottom? Maybe we start from the bottom? There's a lot of people. Oh, that looks really good.
Can you eat it?
Yeah.
You don't want to try?
I don't really like the big ones. It's too much mochi. This is a really interesting mall because it's like old and new together. It just feels a little old, but it feels a little new. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel brand new though. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they got a foreigner shop.
Oh, so for every shopping.
Alright, we came into the foreign grocery store. They got a bunch of Korean ramen. Got some foreign snacks here. They're playing country music. I really like country music, but a lot of people don't. It's really interesting they're playing country music in here though. But it's not just American foreign goods, but it's like all global foreign goods.
I'm gonna try both.
Let's see. Oh, you got tteokbokki?
Yeah, and this one is the one we always like.
Oh, you like this? Is it okay? Does it taste? Does it taste like you're like in Korea?
No.
Okay.
Of course, it's not that good than the one.
They're playing all country music here. It's crazy.
I thought they have a popcorn.
Oh yeah, I do want to see the popcorn. They got some gluten-free chips. I'm gonna grab one of these. Some hummus chili cheese and chili lemon. Okay, oh, I got some Chicago's classic, my hometown, from Waukegan, Illinois. Not too far from my hometown right here, Waukegan. I get one of these. This is 600 yen, $6. Oh my gosh. Chinese?
Sichuan style.
Wow.
And this is Thai style.
Oh wow, truffle potato chips too. Got a whole wall of chocolate here. Hawaiian host. Oh, they got more chocolate. Wow, that's a lot.
This looks delicious.
It does look good. This store is known for their coffee, but they also have a large selection of tea here too. And now they're playing Drake. They're done with the country music and rap music. Oh, so they have like gelatos here. Whoa, that looks really good. They look fresh. Some sort of store that has like maybe like organic stuff, maybe? I don't know. This mall looked a lot bigger in Google Maps. But it looks pretty small in person. Alright, so this is the end of the mall here. They got a food court at the top, and then they also have bubble tea with the French bulldog. It's interesting.
So we should try
What do they have
later.
here?
Not right now. It doesn't look that good.
They have a little arcade in the back there. Oh, I thought it was an arcade, but it's some sort of shop. It's like a specialty shop. Here's big potato chips. I think this store's for like teenagers. Where they're playing BTS in the back. Copyrighted. Chula chups. Got a bunch of these Pringles. I've never seen any of these flavors. Roasted jalapeno, classic salted, smoked cheddar. Wow. Looks pretty good. We got Korean ramen here too. Korean food is starting to get really popular here. These Korean nuts are pretty popular here. Yeah, in Korea we bought these, but now they have them here. I don't know what this character is, but it looks funny. They got more Korean stuff here, K-pop. I think it's just now that teenagers are going crazy over Korean music and K-pop, so I think that's probably why it's here. Some clothes. Got some Pokemon. So I bought some socks, some Nike socks for $10 for 3. And my girlfriend bought some hairpin, Jerry hairpin, and it was yeah, 1,500. They also have a Nitori here, which is like a big furniture shop. I'm gonna go upstairs. All right, we're on the top floor, the second floor. They have some sort of basketball store, Nagasaki Velcro. I think that's the local basketball team in Nagasaki, and their merchandise. We got a Uniqlo here. We gotta get an umbrella, and then they have a huge food court. They had these special cause shirts. I bought one of these, and I thought they would be sold out, but they still have a lot of them. I don't think they sell them in America, but I bought them a week ago. I've never been to a Uniqlo back home because we never had a Uniqlo when I was home because I haven't been home. Well, I didn't live at home for 10 years now, so I don't know if the Uniqlo back home looks like this. If you live in America, does your Uniqlo look like this? We gotta get an umbrella though. Oh, we found the umbrella, but they're kind of expensive. It's like $15. I guess it's not expensive, but you know, they sell like $1 ones at the 7-Elevens. We don't want to carry a long umbrella. We just want to get a retractable one, so. Alright, so we're just gonna buy this. This one is wind turn umbrella, so maybe this will protect us from the tropical storm today and when we go to Fukuoka. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here because it's kind of taking too long, but please look out for the future video. I'm gonna start the next video and then go on to this side. So thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.